knows, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows.
I feel like Scooby, like a dog. Eat the bash like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause shit, I'll take you far. She drop it too.
Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a package that I got from Broke to Rich Lifestyle. It is a black owned company, and honey, I'm a ambassador for them, influencer for them. So yeah, influencer for them. So yeah, I'm super excited to be showing y'all what they sent me. Okay, and I also have another video, I want to say of like their other products that they sent me. So yeah, this can be added to my collection. Okay, period. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. You know the deal. You know the deal. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it, okay? All right. Let's go ahead and open it. I actually got blue on today, so I'm gonna do my blue scissors. Okay, so we're just gonna, this the little package, just small or whatever. Okay. Oh wait, I don't want to cut nothing, so let me be careful because it's closed in here. And then I'm trying to cut it. Okay. All right. Boom! Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Oh. I know I love to always look in the bag just to make sure ain't nothing else, ain't no more goodies in there. You feel me? Okay, hold on, wait a minute, I got too much stuff up here. Okay, so they sent me 3 shirts, y'all. 3 shirts, and it is the Broke to Rich black. Okay, and it is the Broke to Rich black small, in a size small, because I did lose weight, so I have my size on there as small, but I am gaining some weight, so I don't know about that then. Also, I got one of those, and then I got the B2R embodiment. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Natural, I guess it's the natural color. Is it natural or I don't know. I got that in the small, and then they sent me the B2R gold in small. Okay. It is the Broke to Rich Lifestyle, and it is a number 2, not TWO or TO or TOO. It's number 2. Okay, Broke to Rich Lifestyle. Okay, let's go ahead. And then they gave me a thank you card. Oh my god! And then look at them. This is the owner. Yes. So yes, this is the owner right here. Oh my god, I love her. So yeah. And these are all the people, and she is, oh my god, she is amazing. And it is a QR code on the back as well. Let me just get into the shirts. Like,
doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. But I throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that. You know that well, but I throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. But they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No.
24 hours.
Lately I've been thinking about us, about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. But I know that.
Okay, y'all better go get y'all merch. Y'all already know the deal, man. The link is in my bio. It's in the bio. Go ahead and purchase, y'all. Y'all can't miss this, for real. All right, y'all, so y'all better go ahead and buy y'all merch. It's in the description box below. I have it down below, and all her information is in the description box below, so definitely check it out, period. Okay. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. You know the deal. You know the deal. So yeah, also, if you guys liked what you saw in this video, don't forget to go in the description box below. I do have their link down below. Broke to Rich. Okay, go ahead. I will also have their Instagram and their TikTok accounts right here on the screen, and also down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. You already know it's a black owned business, once again, by a black woman. Yes, period. Okay, we gotta support each other. So yeah, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.